Hello everybody and welcome back to another StanCan tutorial. So today we have here is the Felix the Frog StanCan Crochet Kit, and this is the playlist for if you have bought Felix the Frog. So we are going to teach you how to do all of the different techniques that you need, including the hands, feet, body, head, eyes and sewing it all together at the end. This isn't going to be a full step-by-step tutorial. What it's going to be is basically we're going to make the different parts and then sort of bring it together, but it's not going to be the actual pattern, if that makes sense, just because we don't want someone who hasn't bought the kit to be able to make the animal, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Right, so today's video we are just going to open up the StanCan kit, see what you get inside and just go through everything. So let's start by opening up your crochet kit. Right, so opening it up, as you can see, it is full to the brim with stuff. So we're going to just take it out one by one. So first up here we have is the bag of toy stuffing. So you can open this up. It is very high quality, super soft toy stuffing, and that's what we're going to use to actually stuff the snuggle body and make it come to life. Right, then if we dive a bit more deeper in, you then have this pack of goodies, which we're going to go through in just a second. You then have 2 balls of Hello Love yarn. I'm just grabbing the second one out from the bottom. So you have 2 balls of Hello Love yarn. So now let's get prepared and get ready to be able to make your Felix the Frog. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is unpackage these balls of Hello Love. Right, so now we've got our 2 balls of Hello Love. You can leave that to the side. And we're now going to want to open up the pack and see what we get inside. Right, so what do you get in this little pouch? Let's open it all up, pour it all out, and then see what we get. Right, so the first main thing that you're going to see is the pattern page. So here is the pattern for Felix the Frog. There it all is. So we're not going to worry too much about that in today's video. However, we will go through it more in all of the other tutorials. You're then going to get 2 crochet hooks. So you're going to get your 8mm, if that focused. There we go. Your 8mm. And then you're also going to get your 3.5mm. You're then going to get 2 strands of yarn. You're going to get this black thread, and you're also going to get this white thread. So you get 2 strands of cotton yarn, and then you also get a clip-in stitch marker, as they're called. So that is your stitch marker. So that is everything you get in your crochet kit, as well as your stuffing.